Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Nest camera and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure the camera is online and its firmware is current. Outdated firmware blocks changes. Once done, locate the camera card in the Home app and tap Settings. You need the new network name and password handy because the app will prompt you immediately. This step moves you from preparation into action quickly. Skipping app account checks wastes time later. You now follow the Google Home network flow. In camera settings, choose Wi-Fi, then either forget network or change network, depending on the app version. The camera will enter setup mode. Press and hold the camera button if prompted, so the app can detect it. Next, scan the QR code displayed or let the app guide you through direct pairing. Enter the new SSID and password carefully. A mistyped password is the most common failure point, so double-check before continuing. Finish by waiting for the app to show the camera as connected, then verify live view and motion alerts. This confirms authentication and streaming. If the camera won't connect, power cycle the camera and your phone, then retry the same steps. Interference or cached app data often causes issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the camera and re-add it in the Home app. This clears stuck network configs and lets you start fresh with the new Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.